1. How Magellanic penguins save energy by riding ocean currents. 2. Magellanic penguins, mastering ocean currents for energy efficiency. 3. Magellanic penguins' secret navigation trick, using ocean currents to save energy. 1. How Magellanic penguins save energy by riding ocean currents. Imagine commuting over 100 kilometers daily through open ocean. No roads, no maps, just instinct and cunning. For Magellanic penguins, this grueling journey is routine. But here's the surprising part. They've mastered the art of *** hitchhiking on ocean currents ** to cheat their way home, and it's a strategy that's both brilliant and controversial. New research published in *PLOS Biology * reveals these penguins don't always swim straight home after catching dinner. Instead, they adapt their route based on the ocean's mood. In calm waters, they take the direct path. But when strong currents roar to life, they embrace a counterintuitive tactic. **, they let the water do the work **, even if it means a longer trip. Why fight the tide when you can ride it? He asks Dr. Rory Wilson, a biologist at Swansea University, who tracked 27 penguins in Argentina's Valdez Peninsula using GPS. Their journeys often span 30 hours of swimming before the return trip begins, a 16-hour marathon that demands precision. Here's how they navigate the dilemma. **, calm seas. **, straight shot home, powered by their remarkable directional sense. **, rough currents. **, they surf the water's flow in S-shaped paths, leveraging tidal reversals to stay on track while sipping energy reserves. But here's where it gets controversial. Penguins aren't just passive drifters. They **, calculate ** when to yield and when to override the current, a feat that's left scientists puzzled. They're not into hard work for its own sake, A. Wilson notes. These birds are the ocean's economists, balancing distance and effort with eerie efficiency. So, how do they sense currents in the featureless sea? Humans use landmarks. Penguins might rely on a genetic user manuals combined with learned tricks, suggests Dr. David Gremelet. Young penguins watch adults, but the exact mechanism remains one of the biggest mysteries of animal navigation. And this is the part most people miss. Their strategy isn't just about survival, it's a masterclass in flexibility. While sea turtles famously ride currents for migrations, think * Finding Nemo *S crush, penguins apply this skill in daily life, proving that even small adaptations can transform survival odds. Yet questions linger. Is their approach a universal winner, or does it backfire in unpredictable waters? Could their intuition teach *** how to rethink efficiency in our own journeys? **, your turn **, do you think instinct or experience drives these penguins' genius? Should humans take a page from their playbook? Share your thoughts below. 2. Magellanic penguins, mastering ocean currents for energy efficiency. Did you know penguins are masters of ocean navigation? These clever birds use the power of ocean currents to cut down on energy costs during their epic 1,200-mile journeys. But here's where it gets controversial. Some scientists argue that penguins might not be actively sensing currents, while others believe they're using them like a natural GPS. Let's break down how these remarkable creatures adapt to the sea's hidden forces. Magellanic penguins, Spheniscus magellanicus, are known for their ability to conserve energy while traveling vast distances. Researchers found that these birds don't just swim straight home, they subtly adjust their paths to ride the flow of tidal currents. By shifting their direction slightly, they can reduce energy expenditure while still reaching their nests with remarkable precision. This discovery, published in PLOS Biology, reveals how nature's physics can be harnessed for survival. Think of it like a race car driver using wind to boost speed. Birds like those in the famous flying V formation use a similar principle, slipping into the slipstream of a leader to save energy. Marine life also plays tricks with currents. Plankton and jellyfish drift passively with the flow, while larger animals like sea turtles and humpback whales use currents to glide across oceans. Penguins seem to be doing the same, but with a twist. These 10-pound birds face a tricky challenge, navigating thousands of miles without visual landmarks. When heading back to their colonies, they may be detecting subtle shifts in current direction. Researchers from the Max Planck Institute tracked 27 penguins using GPS and IMU loggers, which measure movement and forces around the body. The data revealed that penguins alternate between swimming directly toward their nests and riding the current's flow. In calm waters, they maintain precise routes. In strong currents, they adjust their headings to balance efficiency and energy savings. But this isn't just about saving calories. The study suggests penguins are actively aware of current drifts, even when their colonies are out of sight. This ability to navigate without relying on land-based cues is a key survival skill. However, some may question whether penguins are truly choosing to ride currents or if they're simply reacting to environmental changes. What do you think? Are penguins passive passengers on the ocean's currents, or do they have a deeper understanding of the sea's invisible forces? Share your thoughts in the comments below. 3. Magellanic penguin's secret navigation trick: using ocean currents to save energy. Imagine the incredible journey of Magellanic penguins, gliding through the ocean with remarkable precision despite the challenging currents. But here's where it gets fascinating. These incredible birds might be using ocean currents to their advantage, conserving energy on their lengthy voyages. Ocean currents play a significant role in how marine animals move, how much energy they use, and how well they can navigate. A groundbreaking study published on July 17 in the open-access journal PLOS Biology by Richard Michael Gunner from the Max Planck Institute für Verhaltensbiologie in Germany reveals that Magellanic penguins have a unique ability. They can sense current drift and optimize their navigation by switching between direct routes in calm waters and swimming with strong currents, thereby saving energy as they head back to their colonies. These penguins embark on extensive journeys without any visual landmarks to guide them, whether they are foraging or returning to feed their chicks. However, how they adapt their routes to current drift over such long distances, without any visual cues, has remained a mystery. To delve into this, researchers equipped 27 adult penguins from the San Lorenzo Magellanic penguin colony in Peninsula Valdez, Argentina, with GPS and IMU loggers. They recorded one foraging trip per penguin before recapturing them to remove the devices. The team analyzed various movement parameters, including dive profiles, compass headings, speeds, and durations, to understand the penguins' navigation strategies under different current conditions. The findings were intriguing. Penguins alternated between direct routes and swimming with the current to enhance their navigation efficiency. In calm currents, they maintained precise, straight paths to their colony. In stronger currents, they swam along with the flow, which increased their travel distance but helped them conserve energy. This suggests that penguins are acutely aware of current drift relative to their unseen destination. However, the study's scope was limited to a single trip by 27 penguins, so further research is needed. Future studies could explore this phenomenon in other penguin populations and marine species, and uncover the exact mechanisms behind how penguins sense and adapt to varying ocean currents. The authors explain, our results show that penguins detect discrepancies between their intended path and their actual movement over the ground, then make adjustments. Even under strong currents, they still aim generally toward the colony but display a more varied heading distribution, possibly indicating repeated or fine-scale corrections to counteract the drift. This behavior demonstrates effective navigation even when land is out of sight, significantly contributing to our understanding of marine animals' navigation abilities. They add, a Magellanic P.